Okay, let's throw some out there. Hey guys, good morning. I brought my chair out. Such a beautiful morning. I just saw Carolina, my cousin, at the park. I got the mealworms. We need to go back out to the store and get some more meal. Look at the heart from Nicholas. Mire el corazón de mi chinito. Mire. Isn't that amazing? Yeah. I just saw Carolina. And now that I brought my chair here, I want to see them. So I was like, let me turn the camera on because she was just here. I got my coffee. I got My Way iced coffee. Está haciendo tan bonito día que yo dije, ¿por qué no salir? Mire, tan bonito. Mira las maticas. Look at our plant. Ahí está la piña. We have other ones. Ahorita voy a poner impatiens. Voy a poner también fresas. Yeah. No, aquí estaba Carolina. She was just here, you guys. Honestly, she was just here. And I was like, the mealworms ya están por ahí. Yeah, these are the mealworms we get for them. Y les fascina. Mi mamá dice que es potato chips for the birds. Mi mamá dice que es papa frita para los pajaritos. Yeah. So we're bird watching. Estamos mirando a los pajaritos together. We're bird watching. Little bit, but strong. Who is there? I can't see. Selena, good morning, darling. Good morning, my dear friend. Hey, Selena, look at the heart Nicholas left me. Look at this. Yeah, Nicholas, I'm talking about you. I came out here to feed the birds. Look at this beautiful day. Huh? Yes, girl. It's time to hang out, you know? Start getting some sun rays. Oh, yeah, I got some water solution here for the hummingbirds with the sugar and all that. Yeah. Believe it or not, I got it at Dollar Tree, Selena, and the solution came there too. And then look what else we got at Dollar Tree. Look how pretty. Isn't that pretty? Yeah. And I'm drinking my very concentrated coffee, iced coffee, Selena. Very concentrated. Cheers. We're bird watching. Oh yes, girl. I need to get me some sun rays. Look. See, there goes the crow. Every now and then you'll see the birds will come. Oh yeah, look at my little Dollar Tree plants I got from. Look, aren't they cute? Dollar Tree girl, dollar. Yeah, as I was sitting down, Selena, there's a beautiful girl. Cardinal, she's a female, and I know that's my cousin. That's what I say, right? Anyways, I say she has birdies, so I come over here and I'm like, I'm waiting for her, but I don't care. At least I'm out here getting sun. It feels so nice. Polly's inside doing the dishes. Bacon is inside of the oven right now, girl. Oh my gosh, what a blessed day. Yes. Hear all those birds. Our pineapple down there, and then we got some I think we have cabbage in there. No, not cabbage, lettuce. I don't remember what it is, but other stuff is cooking in there. It's growing. What a beautiful day, Selena. Oh my God, the sun. The sunshine feels so good. Yes. Look at the clouds coming in, how beautiful. Look at that gorgeousness. See all that beautiful green, 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 green? I love North Carolina because of the green. Just the nature. Let me clean off the... There, maybe you can see better now. Hey girl, what's up, girlie? What's up? Happy Mother's Day, because you know it's Mother's Day every day. Yes, it is. Yep, we've got the hummingbird water. Sun feels so good, girl. Some iced coffee and some sunshine. Guess what we had for breakfast? Lasagna. Yes, we did. We had lasagna. Lasagna for breakfast, girl. Is that crazy? But we went to sleep at 7:30, so you know, when you wake up at 7:30. No, I wake up earlier than that. Oh, here comes her. Look. Here they come, here they come, here they come. Let me show you. Oh, see, they're gone now. Oh, here he is, here he is. Look. He went down there. It was a robin. They'll come back. Birds are like men. If they know you're... Oh, here she is. Here she is. Look. Oh, my God. Look. You see? Oh, my God. Do you see? Did you see? If you follow them too much, then no. You have to kind of like just let them come on their own. It's Alina. Girl, this is too much. I'm sitting here trying to watch birds, and I bet you they're watching me. Oh, man. It's a trip. Salud. Love, 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 love. Say hello to Selena.
Hey, Selena. How you doing? Okay.
Selena, we are up with the birds, honey. We are up with the birds. We go to sleep with the birds and wake up with the birds. Right, babe?
That's right.
Whether we want to or not, it's so fun. What did you say?
Tweet.
Tweet. He says tweet. Do it again. Oh man, you're a trip, bro. You are a trip. I said to Selena, I said, I bet you the birds are watching us. We're not watching them, they're watching us. Ay. Feels good to come out here though, Selena. Oh man. Oh yeah. Right, babe?
That's right.
Look at this beautiful fresh air, Selena. Oh yeah, this is nothing like it. I don't know what the temperature is, but I'll tell you, it's lovely. It's beautiful.
60.
60. Well, shoot, man. That's lovely. 60 grados. Perfect. To me, that's perfect weather, Selena. Mm-hmm. Lovely. Oh, my gosh. That bacon smells so good, babe.
65 today, 38 for the night.
65 today? What? Oh, my God, Selena.
And 38 tonight.
Oh, my hot flashes are happy.
Fun.
No, I'm serious, Selena. Selena, do you want to see the cutest freaking toy? Oh my God, girl. Look at this toy that these babies be playing with. Look at this. Hold on, babe. Look at this. It's a ladybug. Is that cute or what? Is that cute or what, girl? Oh my God. Look at this deliciousness, girl. Oh, yeah, baby. Check it out. Oh, let me get Let me get a little bit.
Take the whole thing, baby.
I take a little bit, just a little bit. Thank you. Ooh, thank you, Jesus. Ooh, let me try it out. Oh my God, Paul. Delicious.
Thank you, baby. Have a seat. Who's that red coffee
My God, baby, delicious.
Take it.
Selena, do you see this beautiful man? There he is. No, I don't want no more, baby. Enough. Thank you, darling. As I was saying earlier, we had that lasagna. Look at that bug, though. Is that cute or what, girl? Look at that. Too cute. Yep, I did my toes, girl. Candy apple red. I'm ready for the beach, girl. My husband and me, we're ready for the beach. Look at the birds. Look at them. Look. Yeah, we're ready for the beach. Get some tan lines, girl.
For the beach.
Yeah.
Right, Fernando.
We want to go to the beach. Look at the birds. Look at the birds. Look. You see? Can you see? No. They move so fast. But they're here. And I love it. I love them. We'll have to go to the pet store again to pick up some more mealworms, Selena. That's what we give them, is mealworms. Isn't it lovely out here, darling? Isn't it just lovely?
Yes, it is. Most definitely.
I'm telling you. What a beautiful day. This is the Lord, the day that the Lord has made. Oof. Yes, girl. It's time to get some suntan. Colombia. I know, it's getting hot.
Nice. Looking hot, nice.
Y coño, se está poniendo caliente. Ahora sí, Selena, está poniendo caliente. Mire qué bonito, Selena. Mire qué bonito, mire. It's beautiful. I just love plants and birds and everything. I just love it. Over here we have other things. Don't worry. We're gonna have things. We're gonna have things. Beautiful things. Just gotta have patience and time to let it grow. Let us grow marijuana. Come on, man. Let us grow marijuana, bro. If we can grow pineapple, why can't grow marijuana with my pineapple? What's up? Shoot, I want marijuana infused pineapple. What you say?
That's cool. Every bite you get a little higher.
Yeah, man.
Your juice gets you much higher.
I wanna get higher. Selena's like, what's in that coffee, yo? What's in that coffee? It's called 4:20 in the morning, then you go to coffee. Selena know what's up. all the trees in the world.
Ain't Selena in Florida?
I don't know where Selena's at. She's somewhere in this world.
I'm second guess. I don't know.
Oof, it's getting hot. Well, darlings, Selena, we're going to let you go. I love you. Have a beautiful day. Kisses.